my name is Megha, and in this video I will tell you how to use that 1 minute time that is given to you to prepare your cue card topic. So I will do two things. First, I will show you what thoughts run my mind and what all I prepare, what all I plan during that 1 minute, and then I will show you what sample answer I have for you. So let's start learning. The cue card question for today is, describe a time you enjoyed an indoor game. I'll put the stopwatch in my laptop and take 1 minute to prepare my vocabulary and phrases. So here we start. Yes, so here is my cue card. Now let's proceed with my sample answer. I'd like to tell you about an occasion when I played an indoor game with my 4-year-old nephew and felt elated at the way he laughed while playing. Basically, it was around 3 to 4 months back when my sister-in-law came to visit my family, and she came along with her 4-year-old son. My husband wanted to watch a horror movie with me and my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law decided to narrate some bedtime stories to my nephew and make him sleep. However, he woke up in between the movie, perhaps because of the noise, and started crying tremendously. We tried everything to make him quiet, but he was just continuously crying. After some time, an idea clicked my mind, and that was to play hide and seek with my nephew. So I hid myself behind a curtain and shouted, "Find me!" To my surprise, he got quiet immediately and started looking around for me. When he came closer to the curtain, I exclaimed, "Peekaboo!" He leapt for joy and laughed a lot. I again hid myself behind the same curtain, and he laughed with the same intensity every time. He seemed to enjoy that game immensely. Seeing both of us playing, my sister-in-law and my husband joined us too, and all four of us started playing. After some time, my nephew began to feel dizzy, and we realized that it was time for him to go to bed. So my sister carried him to his bedroom and made him sleep, and after that, we resumed our movie. So that's how I played an indoor game, which is hide and seek, with my 4-year-old nephew, and had a whale of a time. I am eagerly waiting for her to visit my house again so that I can play hide and seek with my nephew and relish that moment. Now coming to the takeaways from this video. First, build a story around the topic given to you. Second, use relevant vocabulary. Like for this cue card, I used vocabulary which is relevant to games and which is relevant to enjoy. It was given in the question that describe a time when you enjoyed an indoor game. So I used vocabulary which was related to enjoy. And thirdly, use phrases, and there you go. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.